Hi friends, Leah the trader here from Trading Mindset and Data. So it's Friday, Valentine's, the 14th of February, and let's look at a recap of our trades and market. So let's start with SPY. We are trying to break the all-time high. I really think there will be a blow-off top probably next week. We have NVIDIA earnings on Thursday, the 20th. I would not be surprised if this would be a catalyst, or pardon me, it's 26. It would be a catalyst. Maybe until then, NVIDIA is going to fly until 141 and higher, but you can't rely on that. So there needs to be a catalyst or we're going to get a retest, but I'm more inclining towards a catalyst. QQQ had wonderful 2 days. We finally broke out from this chop. So SPX, the top of our resistance was 6120. I will show you where we posted. So this was my post this morning for our group. Key levels 61, 6120, support 6025, 6,000, right? We gave you futures as well and QQQ levels. So we have a special indicator that we use in our Discord. You can just simply apply the levels there. You can just copy whatever we give you and it's going to draw for you. So like this, very simple. Apply. Bang, you have the lines. I love trading with this because it gives me a reference point, right? So when I'm in swing trades and I see that we are at the resistance, I know it's going to fail at the resistance and I have to be cautious. Maybe I'm going to be taking my profits. And if we make it through the resistance and I see a lot of volume and powerful breakout, I'm going to definitely keep my stocks that are trading closer to the index. So on Wednesday, 6,000 as the support, and look where we stopped. So this was very important for me also because I was in couple of swing trades, only couple. I don't swing trade too much when I have all this data coming, like we have CPI, PPI, Powell testimony, Trump was going to talk about tariffs. No thanks. I love to keep my money. I'm up a lot on a year. Why would I ruin it in 1 week? Just take it easy or trade like scalp or take quick day trades or sell options. We will get to this later. All right. So you just observe. And for example, FTNT was doing the same. So not only it hit the 10 moving average, the same exact time as SPY was touching the support or SPX, the 6,000, and did not get below. And I was also on the 50. Yes, it touched the 50, did not get below. We had the 6,000 support level and it took off from there. So I did not leave my swing trade. Would I have, would it break the support? I would most likely go completely risk off and close the 2 swing trades I had. But because it did not happen, I felt safer to stay in. All right, silver, we trade silver. This was my entry, 28, and we reached first target and then almost the second. I was closing half position on the open, but I still have a lot of silver in my 401k, which I'm going to hold because my target is 33.35 on silver next 4-5 months. It's about 20%. It's not for everyone. You can make money elsewhere. You can make them quicker probably if you pick the right stocks. Another one, Rock Club is pretty good. We had a lot of flow. Like you see the buyer pressure. And my target is 33. There's someone sold calls. So I think that if we get to 33 in case that we have some run next week, finally after a long time, then 33 would be my target. I would not joke around there because I think that there's such a huge flow of options that someone was selling those calls that it's going to be a strong resistance. And this bought because our algorithm that we connect in our Discord from Quant Data gave us a signal to buy and BIS on Wednesday. These are all the trades. You don't have to take all of them. You take whatever works for you. Here, 40.49 entry, and we were up today. We were closing. Hoover took it in our Discord. We were closing almost 20%, right? So that was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Yeah, 19%. NVIDIA, as expected, tried 3 times to break above, and it was brewing. It's moving through the gap. As I said, I think it's going to go 141 and higher. Great one. Affirm, we are making a lot of money on this stock. you know, we had earnings. A lot of my members, we gave them the prediction. You can also see what we do in the Discord. We have options queue and flow and stock updates where we do a lot on earnings, and you can ask as well where you see. So not only we got golden sweep, all right, which is golden sweep is over $1 million option flow on a certain equity or ETF. So we got that. That was confirmation of. Plus we got a proposal from Alessio, who was talking about it to have bullish flow for earnings. I will find it for you. So you see exactly here. You can see we get to here, expected move between 8 to 14%. Analysts looking optimistic on the guidance. All right. So as you can see, we have insane gains on this one, and it keeps going. 84 is the next target. BABA, we had entry in the Discord 100, and now it's 26% in what, a week and a half. Again, I will share with you our channel where we trade BABA. So everything is recorded in the Discord, okay? There is no secrets. Everything is live. You can see what we trade. Let me see. BABA. Okay, here. Took on 2-4. So right here, we were getting into BABA. All right, guys. So FTNT, the same I was showing you with it. And again, we had so many other trades. This was unreal. We had Upstart for earnings. People were printing on that one. Here was crazy. We had just crazy amount of scanners showing us here. SEO told us Apple breakout. That was yesterday and this morning. Lucid showing us yesterday. We had Geo this week. We traded. All right. So Geo was here, breakout. We made really quick trade on this one. It was also about 6-7%. It was great. And I want to show you that's the sheet we have. I was trading mostly options this week, but I'm selling a lot of options. So these are all my option trades this year. And the contract size is whatever, doesn't matter. It's not important. It's more important about the entry exits. And we have BBAA leaps. Some took short-term calls. We were up 15%. Wolf is for next week. BABA, I sold covered calls. I bought it back. Sometimes you lose. I did not want to sell my shares. Would I have sold them? I would get 100 for the contract plus. I would make $20 on the share, but I decided to keep it. I bought EBIT because it had super low implied volatility. I sold IWM puts. I sold Google puts. I sold Roblox. I closed it. It's just crazy and great. And Walmart, I sold covered calls. I bought it. So a lot of times I'm keeping 100% of those premiums. Some of them are still opened. If you don't know how to trade options, please join us, join our webinars, because I am teaching this all the time. I'm very safe options trader. I really know what I'm doing and I'm calculating pretty well. And we did also Iron Condor on SPY. It was me betting on market going a little bit up and chop. I kept 100% of this trade. And we had the Iron Condor here, super fun, 100%. I sold 614 and bought 617 calls. So there was a short call spread, and put was 600 sold and 595 bought. So we calculated really detailed way how to do this Iron Condor to have 90 up to 92% probability of keeping the premium. Anyways, thanks for being here and have a beautiful day. If you want to join us, it's the tradingmindsandData.com. Use VDAY15 for 15% discount just because you're here listening to me. So VDAA, because it's Valentine's Day 15, for a 15% lifetime discount. Join us and enjoy your night and weekend. Bye.